Okay, so I'm gonna make a quick video on how we see division. We've been focusing on how to draw these diagrams and represent division with diagrams in class. So I'm gonna spend some time talking about the two different ways we could kind of visualize or kind of see the division. So we're gonna come up with a problem. Let's say we have 6 divided by 2/3. The first way we started looking at division, or you guys started when you guys learned division, was just how many of these, in this case 2/3, goes into 6. In other words, how many groups of 2/3 do we have in 6? So to do this, I'm just going to start by drawing 6 rectangles, because that's how many we're starting with. So 2, and I'm going to break them into thirds. Okay, the reason I'm breaking the thirds is because each group is going to have 2 of the thirds. We have 2 different thirds. So, how can you do this? Let me go ahead and I'm gonna kind of box it 2/3 each group. So the first group is here. We have 2 groups. This is 1. Here's this one, but this one as well. It's gonna be 2. We have 3 here. 4. These 2 will make 5. 6, 7, these 2 will make 8, and 9. Hopefully we could see that somewhat clearly. So 6 divided by 2/3 is 9. We have 9 equal groups of 2/3. Okay, so that's one way to see it. We have 9 groups of 2/3 in 6. Another way we could look at it is if we have the same problem, 6 divided by 2/3, we're going to say that 6 is 2/3 of the entire group. So the quotient would be the entire group, the total amount. A word problem, if we think of the word problems, we could think of us having 6 cookies, which is 2/3 of the cookies for the entire tray. The quotient would be how many cookies are in the entire tray. So let's kind of visualize that. So if I have 6 cookies, 3, 4, 5, 6 cookies, that's 2/3 of my entire tray. Okay. I need to find out how much is the entire tray, which is really 3/3. That's 100% or the full amount. So I notice I need another 1/3. I have 2/3. I need one more third to make that full tray. So here I notice that, okay, if I had the 6 cookies, which is 2/3, 1/3 would just be the 3 cookies. So 3 cookies is 1/3. 6 would be the 2/3. So to make my full 3/3, I need another 3 cookies, which means I would have 9 total. So the total amount of cookies in the full tray would be 9 cookies. So the quotient is 9.